my experience working with Gather the past month or two on the marketing and sales side, it's my feeling that we all have alignment to the end user, right? And so like that's so important from my perspective because we're out winning new business or maintaining current customers. You want to be working with a robotics company or an AI driven company that's also in alignment with the end user, right? It's all about the customer here at Barrett, right? So it's not just about the 3PL, what we want. It's not about what the brand wants. It's about the person getting the package at their door and having the right product inside in a quick and efficient manner. So, I think a lot of technology robotic companies might not understand that either, right? And so even setting up a webinar like this or discussing the points of emphasis, it's all focused on the end user, right? And what are the results? And so it's been nice to work with the people at Gather who also understand that, because like I said at the beginning, we're all customers, right? In this e-com space, we all know what that looks like. So that I think that's a huge value add for Gather.